Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the stock market, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. I am not off to the best start this morning. My first trade was a winning trade. My second trade was a losing trade, so I'm pretty much at break even at this point. There was some slippage on my losing trade, but that's just part of the game. So I did end up losing just a little bit more than I was hoping for, but I believe I can get it back here, hopefully on this next trade. So I am looking to take a long position here on Apple. I believe that the price of Apple is going to increase and hopefully we end up reaching a new high for the day. Let's see what ends up happening with the price action here. I am now in the trade. I bought 5 call contracts here at 77 cents. Let's see if the price of Apple can continue higher. So I just sold my final contract here for a total profit of $97. So I was successfully able to come back from my losing trade. And that's what it's all about, is making sure that you keep your losing trades small so that they are easy to overcome. So 2 winning trades and 1 losing trade for a total profit of $106 here. We're about 1 hour into the trading day. So not the most exciting trading day, but a decent one overall. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.